Hello and welcome to Pretty Little Clothes. I'm Virginie and today I'm going to show you how to use the striping tape for this design. To start our design, I'm gonna apply Galaxy from the Cat Eyes collection. And cure for 30 seconds. I'm gonna apply my second coat. And cure for one more 30 seconds. Now I'm going to use some gel residue wipe-off solution to remove the sticky layer. And I'm going to use some striping tape. And now I'm going to use the color Amethyst Fall, and I'm going to use striping tape as a guide. And put in a lamp for 10 seconds, please. I'll remove the striping tape. And now I'm going to apply Amethyst Geode and flash cure for 10 seconds. I'll remove the striping tape. If you need to clean, use some gel residue wipe-off solution. I'm going to remove the sticky layer. I'm going to do 2 coats with Snow White. Cure for 10 seconds. Using Serious Black with a detailing brush, I'm gonna draw some thin lines. And flash cure. And flash cure. And flash cure. You can always add some color with a thin detail brush. And flash cure. Now to sealing the design, I'm gonna apply Urban Graffiti top coat. And cure for 60 seconds. I'm finishing with some cuticle oil Here is the finished design. I hope you like it. All the product used are in the description box below. Until next time, au revoir!